Welcome back, Adventures with Dr. Joe. Let's review this 6-inch battery-powered chainsaw. It's quite a nice kit and unbelievably inexpensive. This was about $38 delivered on eBay. It comes with 2 batteries, 2,000 milliamps. It comes with 2 chains, one I already have installed on this, and overall, it's pretty nice. This also comes with some instructions, a charger, a wrench, a screwdriver, and a case. When it arrives, it needs to be assembled. The bar needs to be put on, the chain needs to be put on, and then it needs to be tensioned. It's tensioned up with the screwdriver through this screw right here, and then once you reach the proper tension with a small amount of give, tighten this nut and you're good to go. It has a protector on the back that will give way as you cut through some wood and other things, and we'll cut through some wood in a minute. It has a safety switch. It's a single speed, it's not variable, but again, with a chainsaw, typically the speed you want is full speed, full power. Now, when it comes to the case is okay, but not great, because you can't, it doesn't fit. You can take the battery out and put the saw in the case, and it will almost fit, with just a little bit sticking out. So that could be better, but a case is nice. I'm going to throw this in my Ranger, and the fact that it's got 2 batteries, when one peters out, we can load up another one, which I think is a very nice feature. It of course comes with some pathetic instructions, which are basically worthless. And again, a second chain. The charger works by actually plugging into the top of the battery. This is where the charger fits into, and I've charged both of these up already. And this is a super cheap stamped wrench to loosen and tighten the nut that basically holds the bar and in place, and then maintains this wrench basically tightens a single nut which holds the bar in place and allows maintenance of the proper tension. Let's improve the tension a little bit. It's a little bit loose. So we'll loosen this nut, and then with the included screwdriver, we'll tighten this screw here, which will tension up the bar. More. Then once you reach what is appropriate tension, tighten this nut. And you're off to being a lumberjack, kind of. The battery fits in a way similar to a DeWalt battery. I haven't checked to see if DeWalt batteries will fit. They don't. So that's a DeWalt battery that will not fit. Similar, but no cigar. And again, safety switch. Here we go. There is no oiler on this, so you may wish to oil the chain periodically. That's just one thing that's missing, because chainsaws typically have an oiler because there's a lot of friction and there's a lot of potential wear on this bar, so I would oil this periodically. Let's put it to work and see how it does. So this is a typical application, a limb or something like this. This is green wood, so it should be pretty easy. Yeah, very easy. So, yeah, there you go. Well, brand new blade, sharp blade. It works well. So far so good. Okay, here's a piece of hardwood we're going to try to cut through, and I'm going to use this backer. I'm going to let it rest against that. Wow, pretty good. So there's hardwood. You know, that's a 1.5 by 2 inch piece of hardwood. That cut through that well. Not bad. So again, not a bad tool. This will be light duty use, pruning, trimming around the garden, on the trail, etc. You know, you'll be able to take out some 6 inch at the most. This is a 6 inch bar, 6 inch max. Green wood will cut a lot easier than hardwood, but it does cut through hardwood pretty well. 2 batteries, that's a really nice feature. 2 chains, and the chain does come sharp, so that's a very nice thing. I did oil this, and I think it's a good idea to oil it prior to every use. The case, it could be better because it doesn't allow it to really be stored properly assembled, but we're going to make it work. So again, for the price, $38, unbelievable. Lithium-ion batteries, 2 of them. I'd recommend it for the use that it's intended. So hey, if this was helpful, please click thumbs up. It helps the channel a lot. Consider subscribing. Adventures with Dr. Joe. Here I am. And again, thank you so much for watching.